Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to get my tab back to normal in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to get my tab back normal. Click inside the text box, then go to the paragraph settings option, then move the window, then go to the tab settings, and we can see here the clear all. Then we select it, then click OK. Now click before the text, press tab on our keyboard, and we can see we get my tab back to normal very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.